Imagine this. You're driving at 100 kilometers per hour when a truck pulls out. You slam the brakes. In one world, your wheels lock and the car skids like it's on ice. You can't steer. Crash is unavoidable. In the other world, your brake pedal buzzes, the car stays steerable, and you swerve safely. The difference? A tiny pump called ABS, the anti-lock braking system. ABS is genius in its simplicity. Sensors on each wheel detect if one is about to lock. A small computer instantly reduces and reapplies brake pressure, pulsing your brakes up to 15 times a second. The magic? The tire keeps rolling, and a rolling tire steers. That's why ABS means control when panic sets in. Now the reality. In 2024, the United States recorded over 39,000 road deaths. Brake-related problems alone account for tens of thousands of crashes every single year. Without ABS, locked wheels on wet or icy roads turn a near miss into a disaster. With ABS, many of those skids never become accidents at all. Research shows cars with four-wheel ABS stop shorter on wet pavement and stay controllable in emergencies. On motorcycles, the data is even clearer. Bikes with ABS are involved in about 22% fewer fatal crashes than identical models without it. That's hundreds of lives saved every year, just from one system. Drivers who felt it describe ABS as a buzz or pulsing under the brake pedal. It can feel strange, but that's the system working for you. In safety training, the rule is simple. Stomp, stay and steer. Stomp on the brake, stay on it, and steer around the obstacle. ABS isn't magic. On gravel or deep snow, it might take longer to stop because it avoids wheel lock. But even then, it gives you the most valuable thing of all, the ability to steer out of danger. So here's the takeaway. Practice braking with ABS so you're not surprised by the vibration. Keep your tires in good health, because ABS can only work with the grip they provide. And if you ride a motorcycle, always choose ABS, because when seconds matter, that pulsing pedal is the sound of your car giving you a second chance at life.